Indonesian cuisine is a cuisine of tradition, fresh ingredients from the local market, spices, colors, and seasonings. I have deeply loved every Indonesian dish I have had, and I'm excited to share a little bit of my experience with you today. Just so you know, most Indonesian dishes use fresh herbs such as onion, garlic, spring onion, ginger roots, turmeric, galangal, candle nuts, lemon basil, lemongrass, and chili. They prepare dishes with their hands, so everything is homemade and prepared in the moment. People in Bali are vegetarian friendly, so if you're vegetarian, you're going to really enjoy this video. Today, I'm going to take you to the kitchen of the hotel where I'm staying at in Uluwatu to watch Balinese people cook traditional dishes. Hey there, so we have been staying in 4 Points Sheraton in the area of Uluwatu. It's been an amazing experience. Honestly, we do not get out of the hotel much. You know, in Barawa, we had to get out of the villa every day to have lunch, to work out, to all of that. But, you know, in this fantastic hotel, we get to have amazing food every day, a gym, a spa, pool. So we've been really enjoying our time here, like just staying in the hotel at peace. And then whenever we have a tour to go to, we get out of the hotel for that. But the hotel is honestly really amazing. We're leaving Bali this Saturday, and something I really wanted to do was a cooking class, but because I've been working so hard and honestly resting, it's been a long journey traveling for almost 2 years, so I've been mostly like doing spa and pool and eating and working and resting. I haven't had time to really go to cooking class. Usually cooking classes are in Ubud, which is like a bit too far with traffic, so I gave up on the cooking class. But today all of my morning clients canceled for some reason for therapy, so I was like, oh, I need to do something. I am always in the look to do something. So I asked the staff from breakfast if they would allow me to be in the kitchen for lunchtime to see if I can learn how to cook Balinese food. And I got so lucky because today at 2 p.m. they actually have a whole like photo shoot and I don't know, fun plans to do in the kitchen of the hotel. The restaurant is called Evolution and they invited me, and I'm so excited because this is actually my very first project with someone other than me. Yeah, I've never had any collaborations, so I'm actually really excited. I did my makeup and all, and I'm super ready to go learn how to cook Indonesian food. I think it's going to be like vegetarian style. We'll see what it's going to be like, but I'm just open to the experience, and more than that, I'm super excited to be able to show you guys authentic kitchen situations in Bali. So let's see how that goes. You will get the recipe of 2 traditional dishes, so let's get into it. Starting with tumis tog bayam tahu, which is a stir-fried spinach tofu dish. I hope I pronounced that well. But this recipe is simple, healthy, and so good. You will need spinach, bean sprouts, oyster sauce, yellow diced fried tofu, red chili, shallots, brown sugar, water, coconut oil, pepper, pinch of salt, and garlic cloves. The first stage of this dish is to prepare your ingredients. You want to slice the tofu and fry it, put it on the side. You also want to steam your spinach, wash and cut your vegetables, and that's it for the first part. Ready, set, go! So there's the final product for your tumis togu bayam tahu. For better understanding, this is a sauteed spinach, sprouts, tofu dish. Easy to make and delicious. In the meantime, the rest of the cooking staff were cooking another soup that smelled really good. The name is Ikan Kuah Asam Kupang, and I'll show you the final result in a little bit. I was not present for this preparation, so I don't have the recipe, but I'll make sure to leave a similar recipe in the link below. Okay, so our last recipe of the day is Jukudurab Kelor. This is another simple, nutritious, and delicious typical vegetarian Balinese dish. If you did not know, moringa is a plant that is known to contain many benefits. The taste can be similar to spinach, but maybe a little bit bitter with some grassy undertone. Where is moringa? Can I see moringa?
Yes, yes.
It's this?
Moringa reddish stick.
Oh, it's like spinach. To make our dish, we will need the following ingredients. Moringa leaves, which you're going to bring to a steam and squeeze the water out of it. A yellow seasoning that you're going to make by mixing some galangal, turmeric, shallot, ginger, shredded coconut, red chili, a bit of sugar, then top that with a banana leaf and let it steam for 45 minutes. You will also need fresh sprouts, cook them slightly and put them to the side. Let these ingredients cool down for a little bit. And now, this dish is super simple. All you gotta do is mix it all up, watch and learn. Place the dish on top of a banana leaf and top it with dry shallots. What a healthy and tasty beauty, huh? Alright, so these two are recipes from Evolution that you can easily replicate at home. However, the restaurant has some other more elaborated recipes that you want to add to your list of things to try in Bali, and this includes Sayur Asem Sunda, a sweet corn, peanut, long bean, local pumpkin, cabbage, and malingo dish. Gulai Nangka Padang from West Sumatra, and it includes young jackfruit, Sumatra base, and coconut milk. Sayur Lodeh Betawi, original from Jakarta. It includes eggplant, sweet corn, peanut, long bean, tofu bean cake, and coconut milk. You can accompany these recipes with rice and rice chips. Remember that rice is the primary grain in Balinese cuisine and it's almost always consumed as a staple to accompany all foods. And the rice chips, oh my god, they are to die for. And talking about foods I'm obsessed with, there's another Balinese dish that I'm totally in love with, and that is their nasi goreng and also the mie goreng. Anyone in Bali is familiar with this dish. It's almost like an everyday delicious street meal that you don't get tired of. And here's my experience with it. Well guys, and for lunch today at Evolution, I got to order my favorite Balinese dish, and that is nasi goreng with chicken and fried egg. As you can tell over here, it looks so pretty, right? But nasi means rice and goreng means fried, so it's a fried rice, and they usually give you this amazing chips that I think are like shrimp fish. I'm sorry, and I think they're shrimp chips. They're delicious. We are obsessed with them. They're better than American chips by far. And then yeah, they give it to you with this little chili side dish and the rice and the egg, and I'm so spoiled because here at Evolution in 4 Points Sheraton, they usually do the nasi goreng with lamb, but I order it with chicken. So and they always say yes to all of your requests. Honestly, they're so kind. The chef for breakfast, you know how hotels usually have a buffet with the same breakfast every day, but the chef always asks us like, oh, if you get bored, I'll get you something else. What do you want today? So Nick usually orders eggs Benedict, and it's really great to have, you know, people that treat you like family when you are so far away. This food is just so homey too. I love it. The fried rice has vegetables and chicken and deliciousness. It's I honestly feel so frustrated because I feel like I could never replicate this food. It's just spicy, smoky, crunchy, but homey is perfect. that's it for today, but I do have another video on Bali coming up soon. So if you want to watch it, make sure that you hit on the notification bell and that you subscribe to my channel. See you next week. Thank you for watching.